no, just pages rustling. Hey, Sue! You haven't heard anything yet, have you?
What was I supposed to hear?
The rustling of owl wings, of course!
Oh, I see. Still waiting for your letter from Hogwarts?
Yes! They are going to send it! I've read so much about it! I know a lot! Everything about Hogwarts and magic! Go pack your things, Sue! We're going to London!
London? What for?
To visit Diagon Alley, of course, to get a magic wand! Oh no!
What's wrong, Sammy?
No magic wand without the letter! They won't believe me!
Oh, don't cry, Sammy. I know how to make a magic wand yourself.
Really? And you didn't say anything. Come on! I'll have a magic wand. I'll have a magic wand!
Yes, Sammy. I've got everything ready for it. This stick will be the base.
I hope it's from Elder Tree or with a phoenix feather.
It's from bamboo.
What magical properties does bamboo have?
Well, it grows fast.
All right then.
First, I'll take a glue gun. And I'll make a beautiful handle for the wand with hot glue. Now, be very careful with the glue, guys. It's very hot.
Never tickle a sleeping dragon.
What?
It's the motto of Hogwarts. It warns about taking unnecessary risks.
Oh, interesting. Really, no need to take risks without a good reason.
I wasn't going to take unnecessary risks. I have a very good reason. Oh, right. Let me see. Oh, no, this one's too small. This one. Too ugly. Oh, let's see. Yes, this one seems right. Up, come on, up, up. Whoa, no, not down.
Sam, Oh, what's the matter?
I was learning to ride the broom.
And? How did it go?
I flew!
Really?
Yes. Only down, not up.
Oh, try to be careful. Remember the Hogwarts motto. And I'm done with the glue. I've got a very nice texture now.
Magical!
Okay, the base of the wand is done. So now I need to cover it with paint.
Not Slytherin, not Slytherin.
Sammy, what are you mumbling?
Well, I'm waiting for the hat to sort me into a Hogwarts house.
Are you sure this is the right hat?
Well, what if it is? What do you think, Susie? Which house would you be in?
Well, I don't know. Maybe Ravenclaw? And you?
Gryffindor, of course! Guys, what do you think? Which Hogwarts house would you be in?
And don't forget to write it in the comments. We really want to know. Right. I'll start painting the magic wand. I'll take this brown paint to make it look like wood. I'll need to cover the whole surface. Better to do it in several coats. Oh! What? What's happening here?
Well, I'm getting ready for the Quidditch trials.
Well, I'm not too sure about Quidditch, but you're definitely going to be in the running around and throwing balls on the table team.
You just don't get it. It's all about practice.
Looks like Sam is very serious about getting into Hogwarts. Guys, could you support him? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, please. And I'll continue making the wand. I'll paint the whole surface brown to the very, very tip. Then, I'll take a sponge brush and dab some gold paint here and there.
Some magical sport training has given me a fantastic appetite. What? Where did all of this come from? Oh! Wait, it was right here, or not? Huh? Oh, I don't get it. What's happening? Is it real? Oh, it looks like it. Oh, I'll go lie down for a bit. Huh? Must be hearing things.
The magic wand is ready! Sam, come here!
Let me see! Let me see! Oh, wow! It's beautiful!
Give a thumbs up if you like this idea, and subscribe to the channel to see Sam's new magical adventures.
And if you make this wand yourselves, send us some photos!
We'll be waiting. Bye-bye.
Right, let's give it a try. Lumos! Lumos! Oh!
Sam, what are you trying to do?
To light the bulb, of course.
Oh, but it's a jar, not a bulb.
Oh, not fair.
Look, you can even put some candies in there.
Even this doesn't cheer me up.